guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing my summer essentials. I don't know what's going on with my hair today. I just tried to put some flips and waves in it because it's dirty, but it's not time for me to wash it. So in today's video I'm doing my summer essentials. These are all the things that I need for the summertime, things I've been loving this summer so far. I mean, it hasn't been summer yet, but it's always summer in Atlanta, so these are my summer essentials. If you would like to see what are the things that I need to use during the summer, please keep watching. So I kind of just have everything all over. I'm going to start with fashion, and the first thing that I have been loving are my Tory Burch sandals. It's kind of hard to see them because they are leopard, but these are the Tory Burch Miller sandals. I received these for my birthday and I have been loving them so much. I have a couple of pairs of Millers, and these have definitely been my favorite to kind of set off an outfit because you guys know normally I love to wear all black, so leopard kind of serves as my neutral shall we say. So I've really been loving these. The only thing is that my feet get hot, and these are patent leather, so sometimes your feet can slide around in these. I also wouldn't wear these to go get a pedicure. I've done that before. You will slide out of them and almost break your neck, so be mindful of getting the patent leather Tory Burch Millers. But I love these. I have been enjoying them all summer, and they are my favorite sandals. They are pricey, but because they're patent leather, I feel that they're gonna wear a little better, and I love them. Next, we have summer dresses. You guys, I'll stand up. You guys have seen this dress plenty times on my channel. I love it. It's a maxi dress. It goes all the way down to the floor. It has an empire waist and this little flutter top. Love it. I don't know about you ladies, but in the summertime it's just so hot. I don't want anything touching my body. I just want to wear loose flowy dresses, maxi dresses, midi dresses, not mini but midi. So dresses, nice flowy dresses, that's definitely essential for me in the summertime. Next is a piece that I have been wearing the hell out of this summer, and these are going to be kimonos. This is a kimono that I got from JCPenney years ago. It's by the brand A&A, and it just looks like this. It's like a leaf print. It goes down to like the back of my knees. I love it. I'm going to get some more kimonos because I use them day to day. I wear them as pool cover-ups. I love a good kimono. I just think they're so functional, and if you want to just like dress up leggings and a tank top or jeans and a tank top, they just make your outfit look so fashionable and pulled together. Okay, what else with fashion? You cannot have summer essentials without a nice pair of sunglasses, and you guys, these have been my favorite so far. I got them for my birthday. You may or may not have already seen that fashion haul. You probably haven't, but these are the Desi Key sunglasses, and the name of these is On the Run 2, I believe. They have gold arms, and I'll show you what they look like on. I love these. The reason why I love these is for two reasons. One, a lot of the times I like aviators, but you can't do this with aviators because aviators have detached nose pieces, at least the Ray-Bans that I like to wear, and so they get caught in your hair and they cause breakage, and nobody wants to deal with that. But also, these have a flat top, and I just think they're so fashionable. They do feature the gradient coloring in the lenses. Key sunglasses are literally becoming some of my favorites. You can get these at Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, ASOS. I think Misguided sells Key sunglasses, but definitely I love these. I used to really only like designer sunglasses, but like I'm obsessed with Key sunglasses. This is my second pair and I adore them. Okay, any more fashion pieces? Yes, I actually have a couple. So one I forgot to bring up here, but I will insert a picture here, and they are my Adidas slides. You guys, I didn't have my slides for a couple of months because I gave them to my friend because he was always using them. I was just like, go ahead, have them. I I miss them so much. If you know me, you know that I live in a pair of slides because I'm lazy and I don't like having to lace up anything or tie any buckles. So my Adidas slides are literally some of my favorite shoes ever. I only have the black and white ones. I think the colored variations are pretty as well, but I only have those. I also wouldn't mind getting a Gucci pair, but then when I think about the fact that I love my Adidas ones just as much and they're like 1/8 of the price, I don't know if I'm ready to take that step. But definitely a pair of slides is gonna take you through the entire summer. I love them. Okay, my last fashion piece that's a must-have is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull pouch in the Damier Ebene. I love this thing. You guys know, I just hit myself in the face. You guys know I love this piece. I think it's just perfect for summer because it's so hot, and you guys know I hate carrying a big bag in the summer. You just walk around like this. You can go to the club, you can go to a day party. I'm too old for that. I don't really go to day parties, but this is just perfect. I love it. It's just so carefree, and it fits a lot more than you would think for it to be so thin. So that's definitely a must-have of mine. Now let's get into other miscellaneous things. A good book. Yes, I am still reading this book, okay? I went to the pool yesterday and I was so distracted by getting in and out of the water that I didn't have time to fully focus on reading. But I am making my way through this book. I have trouble concentrating sometimes when I'm reading a novel. And the fact that these chapters are so short, I jump around in this book. So I don't know where exactly I am, how much finished I am, but I've been loving this. Definitely get a good summer read. The next book on my list is Taraji's book. My friend Kelly gifted that to me, and this was also a gift from my friend Kiera. How awesome are my friends? Like, if you find a friend who gifts you books, keep that friend because they want you to read. And I'm sorry, but reading is fundamental and it's the key to life. If you don't read, we can't be friends because I feel like you should be invested in reading. But that's neither here nor there. But get a good summer read. I promise you, you can go on road trips and read on the airplane, vacation, but a good book is really gonna take you through the summer, I promise you. Okay, my next miscellaneous. It's my Starbucks cup, y'all. When Kelly came to visit Atlanta last week, she said, "Is this the cup? Let me see this cup." Yes, this is the infamous Starbucks cup. Yes, I love it. Yes, it was like $3 or $4, and yes, you need it. It makes me drink water. I was telling somebody this the other day. If ever you have problems getting your water intake in, get a cute cup. It literally makes all the difference, I promise. Next, lotion. Now, this is my Nivea oil infused lotion with vanilla and almond oil. This is what it looks like. I know you're thinking, why the hell are you showing a lotion? Because I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but I hate putting on lotion. I don't know what it is. It just takes so long. I have so much body. Putting on lotion, I can't stand it. And I really like Nivea lotions because they're so, they make your skin so soft and smooth, and they really hydrate your skin. So the one I usually use is the dark blue bottle, but that lotion is so thick that it's hard to smear all over your body. So I picked this up at Target recently, and I've been loving it. The oil in it really gives it a nice slip, so you can just literally slide it all over your arm and it's put on. I love it. This is essential. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wearing sandals this summer, please hit up those heels before you bust out those sandals. We want to see hydrated heels, okay? So definitely this lotion is a must-have. Okay, let's move on to makeup and skincare. I really don't have a lot of skincare because I haven't been using a lot of products recently because I haven't been staying in my bedroom, so I'm not using my bathroom. That's a whole nother story. And it's just hot, and I don't want to, it's just hot. I just can't. But the one mask that I've been loving is the Freeman Peel Off Clay Mask. This is the Clearing Sweet Tea and Lemon. So it's a clearing mask, but it's a peel off, which is nice because you literally have to wait for it to dry and then peel it off. But this helps to really get my skin to feel really nice and clean, which is what I like in the summertime because it's so hot. And I tend to wear makeup more in the summertime because I'm going out more. So ensuring that my skin is just really stripped is essential. So I've really been loving this mask. I don't have any fragrances that are my essentials really because I don't really tend to wear too much fragrance in the summertime. But let's get on to makeup. Okay, basically for summertime, I like to just really play up my lips. As you can see today, I don't have on a lot of makeup in terms of color. I just do complexion, which is like my base, my foundation, and then lip and highlighter. So my first favorite is what I have on now, and this is Kat Von D in LUV. This will forever be my staple color. I just think it looks so pretty for the summertime. It's bright, it's bold. You literally don't need anything else with this. And in the summertime, if I'm not doing a bright liquid lipstick, I really like lip glosses because you can literally just throw them on in the car. You don't have to be looking in the mirror. So my two favorites, which I purchased last year, are the Bite Beauty. These were called the cream lip glosses. The first one is in Bronze Pearl, which is just a bronzy color. And the second one is Peacock Pearl, which is hot like fire. Ooh, it's a peacock, it's a duochrome, it's a purple. I did a tutorial with this, I believe. I will link that down below. I also did one with this as well. I will link both of those down below. If I'm gonna recommend two lip glosses for the summertime, they're definitely going to be these lip glosses. I love them. They're everything. They're a statement without doing too much. They're just everything. And then my last essential is going to be a highlighter. This is Becca's Opal. It will forever be a favorite of mine. Just nice. We're going back to the basics. I don't care about all these new highlighters. I'm sticking with Old Faithful Opal. This is perfect. I have it on today. I don't technically do like a ton of highlighter because I don't want to be like beaming, but I do want to glow, so I have been loving that highlighter. Some other of my essentials, which of course I didn't feature, would be like sunscreen and tanning oil because I did get a little bit of tan. Can you guys tell? I do tan in the summertime because I'm just so pale on half of my body. So of course those will be essential for me as well. But I hope you guys have enjoyed all of my summer essentials. Let me know what are some of your essentials for the summertime. I love summer sometimes, but I really can't wait for it to be winter because it's gonna be like 50 degrees and that's what I really love the most. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.